The Air Jordan Fusion 4 Premier White Laser, launched in 2010, fused iconic details from the Air Jordan 4 and Nike Air Force 1. Marked by a white laser-etched upper with intricate overlapping patterns, it carried mesh netting, wing tabs, and eye-catching red accents on the Jumpman, lining, and eyelets. Its translucent Air Force 1 midsole, paired with a visible air unit and a bold red outsole, added both comfort and visual punch. Released just a month after the black laser colorway, it quickly gained attention as one of the boldest entries in the Fusion line. Although it never saw a restock, the sneaker became a standout for those who valued Jordan Brand's willingness to experiment. Today, with its limited availability, the white laser endures as a prized collector's piece, often resurfacing only through resale platforms like StockX.